Hey, it's me, Joey of Ufind Social, the founder of Social Media Expert. If you are a social media manager or a business owner, you want to grow your social media, then you are in the right platform because here in Social Media Expert, we share daily tips and tricks on how to grow your social media. That's why consider subscribing because we have a lot of information that we love to share with you. So let's begin now how to remove the background of your image. Let's go to my Canva. Now we are inside my Canva account. So the first thing that I want you to remember, to use the background remover, you need to have a paid subscription on Canva. So let's do the sample. So the first one is I have an image here. So this is the first sample. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click effects, click background remover. As I mentioned, to use this tool, you need to have a paid subscription. You need to wait for a few seconds, I think 10 to 20 seconds, depending on your internet connection. Then here we go. So Canva automatically remove the background of your image. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a quick design. So I'm going to do this, put it in the center, and I'm going to change the background into maybe color dark red. And I'm going to put some logo, for example, maybe this one. Okay, so here we go. I have now a logo here. Alright, so this is a quick design. I remove the background and then put the change the background into red, and then put a little bit of text and logo. So now I'm going to change also, we can also change the background into a photo. For example, this one, a rustic one. So replace the background and that's it. So we have a rustic one. Image number 2. So this is how I change my thumbnail on social media. So this is me, thumbnail. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the background of this photo. Again, click effects, click background remover, and then it takes time, maybe 2 to 3 seconds. So this one, Canva remove perfectly the background. So here we go. I can put it here, make it bigger, and then here you go. Amazing. So that is how to remove the background, and I hope I'm able to show you and able to help you on how easy you can remove the background of your image using the Canva. And that's it.